Ladies and gentlemen, today we are looking at the 1966 Streamline Prince, a travel trailer so shiny it looks like it parked beside a diner in 1966 and refused to aid. It is a 19-foot aluminum escape pod for 2 people, small, bright, practical, and ready for the road. Streamline Trailer Company grew from the same West Coast world that gave us Airstream and Silver Streak. Enthusiast histories connect the brand with people who had earlier links to those makers, especially Pat Patterson, who reportedly went his own way and built Streamline around a stronger 3-rail foundation. This was the camper industry's family argument. Everyone had aluminum, everyone had rivets, and everyone insisted their trailer was the proper one. By 1966, America was deep into road trip optimism. Highways were spreading, station wagons were everywhere, and camping was becoming less about sleeping in a wet tent and more about having a real bed, a tiny kitchen, and a roof that did not flap like a politician's promise. The Prince sat at the smaller end of the range. It was aimed at couples, solo travelers, and practical dreamers who wanted the Streamline look without towing half a house. The name Prince sounds almost too elegant for something that might spend Friday night beside a dusty lake while someone burns sausages nearby. Public listings describe the 1966 Prince as rare, and surviving examples do not appear often. Exact production numbers and the number surviving today are not clearly documented. Bob says missing records prove aliens invented aluminum campers to monitor barbecue smoke. Streamline remained active until the early 1970s, with enthusiast histories placing the company's end around early 1974. That means the 1966 Prince belongs to the mature period of the brand, polished, confident, and shaped by the American love of mobility. It did not promise a palace. It promised a weekend away, morning coffee, a dry bed, and the illusion that you were organized. The best documented 1966 Streamline Prince examples are listed as 19 feet long, or about 579 centimeters. One sale description gives the body length as 15 feet, or about 457 centimeters, meaning the full length includes the hitch and overall trailer measurement. The Prince is big enough to sleep to and hold a usable living space, but small enough that reversing it into a campsite should not require a peacekeeping mission. Unlike a motorhome, the Prince has no engine, gearbox, or horsepower number to flex at a gas station. Its performance depends on the tow vehicle, the driver, and whether Timmy is helping by waving both arms in different directions. What it does have is the classic Streamline aluminum body, riveted construction, rounded ends, and a bright exterior that can be polished until it reflects every vintage camper purchase. Documented equipment includes a dinette sleeper, pull-out sofa sleeper, 3-burner stove with oven, sink with faucet, refrigerator, gas heater, propane tanks, awning hardware, and in one archived example, 1 air conditioner. Inside, the Prince follows the sacred law of small campers: every inch must work. Exact layouts can vary because many survivors were altered by owners over decades. The chassis reputation is central to Streamline's appeal. Enthusiast histories describe many Streamline trailers as using 3 vertical rails for extra support with a belly pan and strong structure. Confirmed factory weight, brake type, wheel size, suspension details, water capacities, and original pricing for the 1966 Prince are not clearly available, so we will not invent them. The 1966 Streamline Prince works because it understands restraint. It does not try to be a mansion, a bus, or a rolling nightclub. It is a compact aluminum travel trailer with one clear promise: take 2 people away from normal life and give them enough comfort to return home with stories instead of back pain. Inside, the philosophy is pure mid-century efficiency. The dinette becomes sleeping space, the sofa becomes sleeping space, and the kitchen is small but real. You get a stove, oven, sink, refrigerator, and heater because weekend travel needed practical tools. This trailer was built for people who packed maps, coffee folding chairs, and optimism. It was for those who wanted freedom without towing a giant apartment behind them. The aluminum body gives the Prince its personality. Rivets, curves, and shine created a machine that felt modern, clean, and durable. Bob would cover the windows with foil for privacy from satellites, although the trailer already has the best-looking foil in the campground. Against a larger Airstream or Silver Streak, the Streamline Prince feels more intimate and less famous. That is both its weakness and its charm. Airstream became the celebrity name, the one even people who have never camped can recognize. Streamline stayed more like the clever cousin, respected by enthusiasts, admired for construction, but not shouted about at every auction. For collectors, that makes the Prince interesting. It has the aluminum glamour, the mid-century silhouette, and the rarity, but without the same mainstream spotlight. Compared with big family trailers of the 1960s, the Prince was not trying to carry the whole neighborhood. It was a couple's camper, a weekend machine, a compact road trip companion. That makes it especially appealing today because many modern buyers are tired of oversized rigs stuffed with screens, fake fireplaces, and bathrooms large enough to host a political debate. Now, about prices. Original 1966 pricing for the Streamline Prince is not clearly documented in reliable public material, and confirmed auction records for a highest sale are also not available. Recent market examples vary by condition, restoration quality, originality, and paperwork. A clean, usable vintage aluminum trailer can bring serious money, while a project can become a romantic financial trap. Timmy once called that investment camping, right before buying a wrench set he could not open. So the 1966 Streamline Prince is not just a shiny old trailer. It is a compact reminder of when travel felt mechanical, physical, and personal. It is rare, stylish, and wonderfully human. It does not need a giant engine or dramatic horsepower figure to be memorable. It wins by being useful, attractive, and honest. And in a world where even a coffee machine now needs Wi-Fi, that simplicity feels almost rebellious. Big thanks to the Campauto sponsors, the brave legends who support this channel, so we can keep digging up machines like this instead of letting Bob explain history through alien diagrams. May your trailer never leak, your campsite neighbor never own a karaoke speaker, and your friend Timmy never guide you while reversing. Please subscribe to Campauto because every subscription keeps this channel alive, and every missing subscription makes my coffee taste like regret. The Streamline story belongs to the golden age of American aluminum trailers.